Good morning from Hackensack, and so I'm throwing together a breakfast from some leftovers. A white omelet with smoked salmon, salsa, some Parmesan cheese, and some arugula. And then I got 2 pieces of baguette from Balthazar Bakery that just toasted. We have some pesto to spread on the baguette. Some Dijon mustard. Here's some roasted garlic that I did in the oven yesterday, about 375 degrees, in aluminum foil and parchment paper. I made a closed package of the fresh California garlic cloves, and then mashed them after about 375 for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then mash the cloves to give you a spreadable garlic. And then I have some leftover organic arugula with the stems. The stems have a lot of flavor in them. Don't throw them away. And some tuna sardine salad. This is dressed with Dijon mustard, fresh lemon juice, and cumin. So there it is. Interesting breakfast of egg white omelet, smoked salmon, and toasted baguette with roasted garlic, and tuna sardine salad, Dijon pesto. Enjoy.